As a creator, you work hard to make amazing content. You want it to be professional, engaging, and valuable for your audience. You've probably seen popular videos packed with quick cuts, flashy graphics, and high energy. It seems like the key to success, right? But what if I told you that style of editing could actually be hurting your channel? One of the most common mistakes creators make is mismatching the editing pace with the video's goal. If you're making a tutorial, a guide, or explaining a complex idea, a fast pace can be overwhelming. Your audience needs time to process the information, see the details, and understand your message. When the editing is too fast, with distracting graphics and constant cuts, viewers get confused and frustrated, and when they're confused, they click away. The solution is strategic pacing. Pacing is the rhythm of your video, and it's one of the most powerful tools for keeping viewers engaged. For educational or informational content, you need a slower, more deliberate pace. This doesn't mean your video has to be boring. It means giving your viewers breathing room to absorb what you're teaching them. A shot that lasts an extra second, a simple transition, or clear graphics that support your point. These are the things that create a professional and easy-to-follow experience. So, how do you get the right pace for your content? Here are 3 key things to focus on, whether you edit yourself or work with an editor. 1. Keep the value, cut the fluff. The goal is to be concise, not rushed. Cut out long pauses, mistakes, or anything that doesn't add value, but never sacrifice the clarity of your main points. 2. Let your message breathe. Tell your editor you want the important moments to have space. For example, when you reveal a key tip on screen, let it stay there long enough for someone to actually read it. 3. Control the speed. You can use editing to guide your audience's attention. Slow down the video during a critical step of a tutorial and speed through the repetitive parts. This technique tells the viewer exactly what to focus on. Of course, fast-paced editing is perfect for certain types of content. It's great for vlogs, challenge videos, short-form content for TikTok or Reels, and anything where the goal is to build energy and excitement. The key is to be intentional. So, before you start your next video, ask yourself, what is the purpose of this video and what do I want my audience to learn? By matching your editing pace to your content's goal, you'll create a more professional, effective, and enjoyable experience for your viewers. In our next video, we'll dive into sound design and how it can make your content feel 10 times more professional. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it.